My name is Alton Schmidt. Okay, I'm the president and CEO of Helios Community Care. Well, as a growing business, we found that we needed legal advice. We also needed wise counsel as far as expanding our business. And we got to the point where it was just too much for us to do it on our own. And we needed someone else to help us make the decisions that would keep us safe and able to grow as we expanded in our market. Well, Reib Law is not the first law firm that I've used, but it's been one of the most responsive law firms I've ever used. His ability and the firm's ability to meet our needs and come to where we are, to offer the advice when we need it and not to put us on hold or make us wait, has been invaluable for us in our business. Expanding, growing. Reib Law has really made that possible over the past year. Well, if you're in a business and you're trying to grow, eventually you're going to get to the size where you can no longer do everything on your own. And it's vital, especially with the changing economy and the laws that all businesses have to deal with, that you have professional advice that you can count on. Having an attorney who is familiar with business, who is able to advise you, be a second set of eyes on a situation where we as business owners get kind of focused on what we do, and having somebody who has some experience and also the legal expertise to go with it can help us see things that we wouldn't otherwise notice on our own. If you're going to grow your business and you're going to need legal advice, you're going to get to a point where you can't do it on your own, and having somebody that you can depend on and trust is just invaluable as a business owner. Well, we have been with Reib Law now for nearly a year, and in that time we have doubled our business. And in that process of doubling our business, we have faced many obstacles and opportunities that having great sound advice made it possible for us to expand quicker than we might not have been able to ordinarily. With the growth in our employment, the fact that we have almost twice as many employees now as we did before, the changes that we had to make to our policies and procedures, and dealing with the growing issues with employment law and things of that nature, having Reib Law available to us on a regular basis and always being there for us when we needed them has made it possible for us to grow quickly. We could do that with confidence. We didn't have to be concerned about what type of risks that we might have been taking because we were with Reib Law informed of all those things and had that type of outside opinion to help us see beyond just what we were looking at the time. Having a lawyer is almost, you have to have one these days. Having one that you can depend on, who shares your values, and having one that is available and readily there for you when you need them is invaluable.
Hi, I'm Scott Reib, President and CEO at Reib Law. We offer membership-based legal services for attorney stuff. Why do you need attorney stuff? I'll never tell you.
Tell us!
I'll never tell you.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Did you know that the number of lawsuits in the United States has increased by 35% in just the last 3 years? Do you think these people thought they would get sued? No way. Over half of these were business-related lawsuits, and they involved discrimination or injury.
Ow! I'm injured. Wait, is this because I'm white? That's it! I'm suing! What's going on here? That's it! I'm suing!
Predator plaintiffs have filed 30 million lawsuits last year. That's 82,000 a day, and the number keeps growing. Not only that, but since 1992, lawsuits against churches have increased by 1,600%. People are more and more often looking for reasons to sue organizations.
Matt, what if we told you about mustaches in the office?
That's it! I'm suing!
Not concerned about numbers and facts? Let's talk about words and concepts. Well, professionally speaking, here are more reasons you need Attorney stuff. Do you have an employee handbook? Are your contracts enforceable? Do you have a sexual harassment policy? Do you need a more comprehensive estate plan? Do you own a marsupial that bites? All these reasons to get attorney stuff would traditionally cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. You might as well burn your money. Not so with Reib Law. At Reib Law, we have two things that make us different. Number one, we provide membership-based access to lawyers for churches, families, businesses, and organizations in an affordable way. And number two, we make legal issues so simple a child can understand. We don't speak in Latin, use legal mumbo-jumbo, or big legal words like caveat emptor, res judicata, fingerola, and I only made up one of those words. So call Reib Law today to start protecting your most valuable assets for less than you ever thought possible.
Don't go! Stay, Scott Reib!
Sorry, lass. I have to go help someone cut through legal mumbo-jumbo.